Hello, I'm Maria from the Mamlis team, and I will show you a good practice that you probably discovered in the case studies of the previous activity. The good practice is the welcome package, something very useful for management, teachers, and of course, students and their parents. I'm going to show you our school's welcome package. As you can see, the package is in 4 languages: Greek, English, Arabic, and Farsi. Here is the package in the front page of our school website. Let's see the package. First of all, we have a welcome message from the administrator and the teachers of the school. After that, we have the communication details like address of the school, phone number, email address, and the link for our website. Very important for the pupils and the parents are the school year calendar. Here they can see the holidays. Of course, an important information is a school grading system, because here in Greece, for the secondary schools, are starting from 1 and 220, the excellent grade. We also have grade system for the behavior. So we're starting from the explanatory, the best, and inappropriate, the worst behavior. Here we can see the compulsory lessons. We have humanities, Greek language and history, science, you can see mathematics, physics, geography, etc., social science, art, foreign languages, and gymnastics. In school, we have some school regulations, like regulation of the school, emergency management regulation, and the regulation of the computer laboratory. Very important are the school forms, registration forms, and travel statements. A very useful information is the places of the school, like what rooms we have in ground floor, on first floor, or on second floor. So here we can see the timetable schedule. We're starting every day at 8:15, and after 7 hours of lessons, we finish at 2 o'clock p.m. Some additional services are the free books we have every year for our students for the class they go. We have free cards for mass transportation. We also have a psychologist and a social worker 1 day per week. And every student can participate in the laboratory of robotics or other laboratories maybe we have. And last but not least, our values are collaboration, respect to diversity, security, interactions. As you can see, the welcome package is a dynamic tool that changes and is updated every school year, maybe even during the year. For this reason, we will provide some templates as well as examples for you to create your own for your own school. Thank you.